Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Cetaphil's new Gentle Skin Cleanser, which can be used daily in the morning and or evening, and it is suitable for dry to normal sensitive skin. Now this cleanser can help you to remove dirt, sweat and light makeup, and at the same time hydrate the skin so that you won't come across dryness or tightness afterwards. Now, when working with this cleanser, there are two ways on how you can use it. The most common one is probably with water, where you're going to use the cleanser to dry skin and then rinse it off with water. However, if you do not have access to water, you're being on the road or whatever the reason may be, or you have extremely sensitive skin where you cannot use water, then using it the completely dry way, applying it on dry skin, removing it the dry way is fine too. So you basically can adjust it accordingly. And I'm going to show you both methods so that you can see it step by step as well visually. Now I want to get started with the first method, which again is use about 1 to 2 pumps of Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together and then gently massage it onto dry skin for about 30 seconds to a minute. You can use the cleanser around the eyes as well as your mouth, just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth, and if so, please rinse it with water. And then once you have massaged it all over your face and neck, then you're going to rinse it off with lukewarm water by either just using your hands or fresh and soft washcloth to make sure that everything comes off, and then pat the skin dry. Now this is a method that can be used either above the sink, or you can take the cleanser with you in the shower and then properly wash your face. The steps won't change, they'll stay the same. And so I'm now going to get started and show you this whole thing visually. So again, use about 1 to 2 pumps, rub your hands together and then gently massage it onto dry skin. So, and once you have massaged it all over your face and neck, you can go ahead and rinse it off with water. Now you can either do this by just using your hands, if that's fine for you, if that works well for you. However, if you feel like there's still some residue left, or if you have worn light makeup and you want to make sure that everything comes properly off, then using a fresh and soft washcloth, which you're going to wet, can help you to remove any excess. So now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So, and this is how you can use Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser with water when rinsing it off. So let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Now the second method is very similar to the first one, but instead of rinsing it off with water, you're going to remove it the dry way, and then either use a fresh and soft washcloth, cotton pads or even tissues to remove the cleanser. And when removing the cleanser the dry way, you're also coming across a light film that you can feel on the skin surface, which feels very hydrating on the skin and acts like a protective layer, and that's normal, so don't worry about it. So again, the way on how you're going to get started is now use about 1 to 2 pumps of Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser in the palm of your hand, and then apply it onto dry skin and massage it all over your face and neck. So, and once you have massaged the cleanser all over your face and neck, you can go ahead and again either just use a dry and soft and fresh washcloth or cotton pads or tissue, and then take it and gently swipe off any excess of Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser. So, and once you swiped it off the skin, then this is already it. This is how you can use Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser the dry way without water. Now I do want to quickly emphasize that you can just leave it as it is and use the cleanser on its own. That's completely fine. However, if you now have maybe other skincare products at home and you want to know the application of, for example, a toner, exfoliant serum or moisturizer, then I have several application videos which I can link at the end of this video so that you then can continue watching and know how you can properly follow with it afterwards, because those are all steps that would be used after the cleansing step. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skin caring. Bye!